These cookies are the pinnacle of perfection. It's crisp edges, chewy middles, and so easy to make. Here's my best chewy chocolate chip cookies. Hello deal boarders, welcome back to my channel and let's do it. Let's start by combining the castor and the brown sugar as well as the melted butter. Then whisk vigorously before you add on the egg. Don't forget the table salt and then continue whisking. Look at the perfect consistency. It's just like a flour rolling around on a plate. Then time to add some generous amount of vanilla extract and then continue whisking. It's time to build up some muscles. And then the best part of baking, which is my favorite, by sifting the dry ingredients with flour and baking soda. The best tricky part of baking cookies, unlike any baked pastries like cakes, is the way you combine the wet ingredients to dry ingredients by gently folding it. And remember, don't over mix. Having said the vanilla based cookies, I wanted more chocolatey, so a generous amount of chocolate, it's good. Here's another tips for perfect rose, chewy, crispy edge cookie is by sealing the dough and keep it in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight before you bake it. Visitors coming in, kids are hungry, pop it out in the fridge, get a tablespoon of each dough, roll it up in your palm, bake in a preheated oven for 170 degrees temperature for at least 15 to 18 minutes, and it's done. Look at the beautiful cookies. Isn't it? Looks tempting, delicious. Reading books, watching movies, parties, meetings, gatherings, have some fresh milk, tea or coffee, go and dunk it. It's delicious and lovely. Thank you for watching everyone, hope you enjoy our video for today. And please don't forget to click on my channel for more recipe videos, you might like one of those. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now and saying bye bye!